Hooty-hoo, all my stock market gamblers. Welcome today. I'm Tall Mike. Today is Wednesday, December 2nd. What I want to talk today about is a little bit about the market direction, and then we're going to get into some silver stocks. All right, let's get started. Basically, the stock market today, not doing a whole lot. Not doing a whole lot today, pretty flat. This is a chart of the SPY. Now, the SPY keeps making new high after new high after new high. Okay, definitely in an upward trend, right? Everybody thinks it's going to come down. It's not ready to come down yet. You know why? They're going to print more money. When they print more money, the money somehow makes its way into the stock market and is going to prop it up. Now, do I think we need a pullback? Absolutely. We got a little bit ahead of ourselves here. And I think we're going to get a pullback. I'm hopeful. I think we will. A lot of people don't want a pullback. They just want it to keep running. But SPY is at 365 here. I think it could pull back down to 345, down to the 50-day moving average. That would be a great buying opportunity because we are going to go higher. You see, the economy's not doing well. We all know that. But the stock market's doing really well. Now, why? Why are they so detached? You can print enough money and you can make the market keep going up and up and up. But people are getting a little frustrated right now because they're taking their time about printing that money. People want to get stimulus checks out there. The government is not passing the stimulus bill. It's going to be somewhere between $1 trillion and $3 trillion of new money because the government doesn't have any money. Government's broke. So what are they going to do when they pass this stimulus bill? Everybody knows it's going to pass, but they keep putting it out. So maybe we get a little pullback if they keep delaying because the longer they wait, the market's getting a little fidgety here. It might throw a temper tantrum and we might get that pullback down to the 50-day here, which would be a really good buying opportunity. We're getting a little pricey up here. A little pricey. So be cautious out there if you're in the market right now. I think we're overdue for another pullback. Look, we get pullbacks. There's a pullback. There's a pullback. We're overdue for another pullback. Just down to this 50 days, all I'm thinking is it's not going to be a crash yet. You can't crash when you're putting in trillions of dollars into the market. Now, what can crash is the dollar. If you look at a chart of the dollar, the DXY hit a new low yesterday. Anyways, yeah, the dollar's going to crash. The stock market's going to keep going up. That's my opinion. But I think we'll get a pullback here. I think that pullback is something you want to be in on. You want to buy that opportunity. You want to buy the dip. Still buying the dip mentality is working. But we need the dip. Right now we're getting a little pricey. All right, so what's silver doing? Silver yesterday had a banner day. I mean, it jumped up 6% in one day. 6% in one day. I know hedge funds. Hedge funds don't make that in 1 year. They could have been in silver yesterday, been done for the year. 6% jump in one day. Okay, is it done yet? Is it done? No, we're going to go higher. We're going to go much higher. Silver right now, let's call it trading around, I don't know, $23, $24. Silver's going to pass through $30 on the physical level. Going to pass through a record high this coming next year, 2021. It'll get through $50 in 2021. That's my prediction. Am I going to be right? Don't know. I'm just a stock market gambler. I think I'm going to be right, though, and I think you want to be in on it. I think you want to buy some silver to protect yourself from all the money they're printing. You see, your dollar bills are going down, down, down. But silver, it's going to go up, up, up. You can tell. Look at this uptrend. This is not done. Yeah, we've been moving sideways to lower, sideways to lower. We're not done yet. We're going to be heading up. Now, we have to get through this 50-day before it's off to the races. Now, if we get through the 50-day, yes, I think we're going much higher. Can we pull back? Oh, I'd love to see a pullback down here to 20. You get down to $20 on the SLV, load up the boat. Load the boat. You want to go all in at that point. We're at 22 now. If we get below 20, load the boat. Look at the 200 days down here at 19. I don't think we're going to get down to 19. Not on the SLV, not in this, the environment of the Federal Reserve printing money. We're just not going to get down to that level. There's no way, no way. GDX, the miners finally caught a bid yesterday. They were up like 5% in one day. Now let me show you, I'm a chartologist. I look at charts all day long. It's what I love to do. Now if you want to know my secrets about looking at charts, go to stockmarketgambler.com, put your name and email in there. I'll send you the secrets for free. But look, here's some secrets. I'll give you some secrets right here. Okay, so this was trading up around 46. It gets down here to 33. That's like 30% off, right? Right, but okay, why do we know it's going to bounce from there? Well, look at the 200-day. It broke through the 200-day, but the 200-day is still sloping upward. The 50-day is above the 200-day. It's going to gravitate upward. And sure enough, we got that bounce from 33 to 36. 10% like that. Is it too late to get in on these miners? No, it's not too late. We're going much higher. Much, 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 much higher. Can we have a pullback? Yeah, we can pull back from here. We can get back down to this 33 again. I don't think we're going to, but any pullback from here, you want to be buying. You want to be loading the boat. This is probably one of your last chance before we get the next major run coming. This major run's coming in the gold miners. Definitely coming. Okay, so gold itself, the GLD, now this is paper gold. You want to buy some physical gold. You want to have some gold coins just for protection against printing the money. Okay, they're going to print money and make your money worth less and less and less. You want protection about that. Otherwise, I'd be an angry person. If I saw the Federal Reserve just throwing trillions of dollars of taxpayer money at everybody, but they're not throwing it at me, I would be very angry, but I'm not angry. You know why? Because I got gold and I got silver, and the more money they print, I know the higher these are going to shoot. Now, they're not shooting high right now. Now's a gift. It's a gift. You want to buy them down here. Once again, this broke through the 200-day down here. Way oversold. And sure enough, we got the bounce right back above the 200-day. Now, I think it's going to stay above the 200-day. And I think we're going to head up higher from here. I think we're going to hit new highs. Gold, it's a little over 1,800 right now. Where do I think it's going? Much higher. 2021 is going to be a banner year for gold, silver, and the miners. You know what? The overinflated stock market might not do so well in 2021. It's doing well right now. It's doing well. It's at record highs. Record highs. Do I want to be buying the stock market at a record high? Do I want to be buying gold at this low price? Now, a lot of people say gold's not at a low price because gold is very close to a record high. It's at 1,800. Record's like 2,000. Okay, it's $200 off its record high. Why do I say that's such a bargain? It's a bargain because of how they're printing the money. You can tell there's a ratio between gold and the stock market. Let's call gold rough numbers. All right, let's say it's 2,000, but it's actually at 1,800, so it's even better. But okay, and you got the stock market at 30,000 on the Dow. That's 15 to 1, but it's actually closer to 17 to 1 because gold's only around 1,800 and the Dow is at 30,000. Okay, 18 to 1. This number is going to go to 1 to 1. It's going to go to 1 to 1. Now, either the stock market's going to come way down or you're going to see gold shooting way up. I get the feeling it's going to be a combination of both. Where do I think they're going to meet? I think they're going to meet right around 8 to 10,000. Now you say, Mike, you're crazy. Gold's not going to hit 10,000. We'll see. Oh, the stock market's at 30,000. There's no way the stock market can come down to 10,000. We'll see. That's my prediction. 1 to 1. Okay, so I don't know exactly how it's going to happen. It's not going to play out tomorrow. It's going to take some time on that one. You're still a few years away from that probably. Maybe not though. It could happen fast. When it goes fast, okay? I mean, it can become 1 to 1 really quick. But I'm just telling you, that's why gold is cheap right now. Gold is cheap. You want to get some gold just to protect yourself. Protect yourself from that printing of money. Let's take a look at some charts here. Okay, here's one of my favorite charts. It's called Liberty Gold. All right. So Liberty Gold, I'll tell you the reason I love Liberty Gold. I was buying it down here. It goes back down here. I was buying it around 50 cents a share. I got out of it at $1.50, but it tripled. It went from 50 cents to $1.50. Now, okay, you go, Mike, but it's ran up already. Yes, it has. It's trading at $1.80. $1.80 it was trading at, all the way back to $1.30. I think this is going to $3. I think we can almost triple again. It's just a guess. I'm a gambler. This isn't financial advice. I'm a stock market gambler. Now, if you like looking at the charts, get my charts. I'll give you my secrets for free, stockmarketgambler.com. I'm a chartologist. This is what I do every day. I look at charts. If you like looking at charts, if you like talking about stuff like this, hit the subscribe button. Give me a like. All right, here's another one. Mag Silver. Look at the move it had yesterday. It almost got down to the 200-day. I wasn't in this one. I was waiting for it to get down to the 200-day below 14 and just shot up on me. All right, it's at 17. Am I buying it here? I will get in this if I can get back to 15. I don't think it will. I think we're going higher. But maybe it hits this 50-day and maybe it does pull some back. That's when I'll be getting in. That's when I'll be loading the boat. I like Mag Silver. Like it a lot. Okay, here's one of my favorites also. This one I had some options on this one that I bought down here around 29 and it shot up to 31. Took those options off for nice profit. Nice profit on that. Okay, so this was up here at $40, right? Came all the way to, down here at $28. That's like 30% off again. That's a sale. That's like walking into, some of these big department stores and go, wow, that's what I want. It's on sale. When it's on sale, you want to buy it. That's when nobody wants it. Nobody wants the miners right now, They're unloved. I'm telling you, these are cheap. They're going much higher. In this environment of printing money, these are going to rally. They're going to go much higher. They're on sale. It's a gift. Buy yourself a Christmas present. Get some Pan American Silver. Right around the $30 level. Yeah, I think that's really good. I do. I think it's going to be a $50 stock in no time. I believe that. Could I be wrong? Sure. Do I think the downside on this? I think it's very limited. This is it's a premier mining company, and it mines silver. And I love silver. Silver, one of the most undervalued assets on the planet. You want to get some physical silver. You want to get some of the miners, and you want to, even the SLV's all right. But you want to be in these just to protect yourself about what's coming in 2021. And I'll tell you what's coming in 2021. What's coming is another $6 trillion being printed. $6 trillion more dollars of debt on top of the $28 trillion we got now. Put us up around $35 trillion in debt next year. That's crazy. Come on. You got to protect yourself. Get the miners. I'm Tall Mike. If you like this stuff, give me a like. That's all I got today. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye-bye now.